How to create a successful Google Ads campaign fast. In today's digital age, Google Ads offers one of the most effective means to reach and engage potential customers quickly. By following a few strategic steps, you can create a successful Google Ads campaign in no time. First, define your campaign goals clearly. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Having a clear objective will guide your strategy and help measure success. Next, conduct thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords that your potential customers are searching for. Focus on terms with high search volume but low competition to maximize your reach while keeping costs manageable. Once you have your keywords, write compelling ad copy. Highlight the unique value of your product or service, and make sure to include a strong call to action, inviting viewers to click through to your website. Now, set up ad groups based on your keywords. Group similar keywords together to ensure that your ads are highly relevant to the search queries. This will improve your quality score and lower your cost per click. Choose your bidding strategy wisely. If your goal is clicks, consider a cost per click (CPC) model. If you're aiming for brand awareness, a cost per thousand impressions (CPM) approach might work better. Make sure your daily budget aligns with your overall marketing spend to avoid overspending. It's also crucial to set up conversion tracking. Use Google Tag Manager to integrate conversion tracking on your website so you can analyze which ads are driving your desired actions and refine your strategy. Optimize your campaign regularly. Monitor your campaign performance data to identify what is working and adjust your keywords, ad copy, and bidding strategy as needed. Finally, stay informed on new Google Ads features and best practices to continually improve your campaign's performance.